Hi there, so for today's video, I'll show you guys how to check your Zoom audio settings. To get started, open your Zoom app, then on the upper right corner, click on your profile image icon and then click on Settings. In the left navigation of the Settings window, click on Audio. First, pick which speaker you would like to use to hear audio. Click on the drop-down menu to pick from any audio device currently available on your computer. Then click Test Speaker to hear sample audio through that device. Adjust the volume of the audio as necessary, but be sure to click Stop, otherwise the test sound will loop over and over. Below, you can check a box to also play ringtones. This feature allows you to hear the ringtone for either a Zoom meeting or a Zoom phone call from two different sources. You're also able to test your microphone for quality. From the drop-down menu, select which microphone you wish to use and click Test Mic. As you say a quick few words or sentence into your microphone, you will see the color levels changes based on how loud your microphone is. If needed, check the box to allow Zoom to automatically adjust your microphone volume. However, if you're wearing a headset, you can leave this box unchecked since the microphone is in the same position on you every time. Next, adjust your noise background suppression as needed. If you're in a noisy area, you might consider high background pitch to better mask the background noise around you to make sure that you will still be heard. Lastly, we arrive at ringtones. Not only can you adjust the volume of your ringtone, but you can choose from different list of ringtone options. You can even pick specific ringtone to notify you of an incoming call from different sources of contacts. And that's it. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. Bye!